Hey, beautiful people, this is a thank you video to my follower on TikTok that left me that bomb comment when I made this cookie recipe. I hope you enjoy this one too. Okay, so this cookie recipe is a lemon cookie recipe. I guess you can use any lemon flavored box cake mix that you want. And to my box cake mix, I added 3 eggs at room temperature. I added a little bit of vanilla. And the people said to use oil, but I used butter. And then I added a little bit of citrus because sometimes I could be extra. But anyway, this video is brought to you by Oyus and Bar Soaps. Oyus and Bar's new fruit bar soaps are made with real oat milk, cucumber, mango, and citrus. Use Oyus and Bar soaps and say bye to dry, ashy skin.
Stop sleeping and go buy you some oils and bars.
Now don't do like I did. Allow your cookie dough to rest in the fridge for at least an hour. But I rolled them in powdered sugar and then I baked them. And there you have it, boxed lemon cake powdered sugar cookies. And if you haven't already, follow, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. God bless.